Hey guys, my name is Nelson Young. Thank you again for joining me for The View with Visit Bellevue. I'm here at the super popular, highly respected, and always busy Carmine's in Bellevue. For me, this is a personal favorite. They've been a very, very popular restaurant here in Bellevue for a number of years. And to me, you're always gonna get exactly what you pay for. You already know what you're gonna get in its quality, its experience, and there's a sense of lifestyle for Bellevue that Carmine's really embodies. Come join me, we got some great dishes coming. I can't wait for you guys to check it out. So we just had two appetizer dishes, two of my favorites. We got the calamari fritti, which is on the dinner menu, perfectly fried, crispy, love the sauces that comes with. We also got the bruschetta trio, three different bruschettas also cut in half, and they are cherry tomato, caper, garlic confitura, and basil. There's another one with black pepper, goat cheese, and tapenade. And the third one is avocado, smoked salmon, and creme fraiche. We also got their pizzas, and I think pizzas here are super underrated. I don't think enough people order them. This is the pizza salsiccia. There's fennel sausage, there's an Italian sausage as well. There's ricotta, there's caramelized onions, one of my favorite pizzas here. I'm so excited for the main event here. These are two pasta dishes that are fantastic. They are staples here at Carmine. Right here I have the linguine alla vongole. It is with clams, typically it's with the primavera sauce. It is typically a tomato-based sauce. I usually like to alternate between customizing it with a white wine, sort of garlic sauce, or in this case I'm doing pesto. One of my favorite pestos here in the city. It's so good. It just goes so well and it's super garlicky. I also ordered the squid ink pasta. It's angel hair, super thin, great texture. Also includes giant prawns. We also have mussels. We also have clams as well. If you haven't been here already, you really need to come. Carmine's has been around for a long time. Historically, they've been around almost 40 years, but they're bringing some of that family tradition here to Bellevue. They've been here at least 6 or 7 years. Lively atmosphere. Sometimes it's hard to get a reservation, but you really need to be here if you haven't. Thank you again for joining me here at the booth for Visit Bellevue.